guys, so for today I'm doing this Foxy cat eye look. I realized that my mic wasn't working, so I'm going to be doing a voiceover. To prime, I'm going to be using my Benefit Professional primer. For foundation, I'm going to be using my L'Oreal Infallible 24 Hours Made Foundation 340 Copper. I love this foundation. It's so affordable, it's amazing coverage, and it's just one of my best drugstore ones at present. And then I'm going to blend this out with my Real Technique sponge. Damp sponge, so I wet the sponge before blending. For highlight and contour, I'm going to be going in with my LA Pro Conceal in the shade Warm Honey, Creamy Beige, and I'm also going to use Mahogany to contour. I'm going to go in first with Warm Honey under the eyes, tip of the nose, forehead, cubic bow area. Use your place, it's a highlight. I'm gonna go on top of that with the Creamy Beige, just tiny bit there and there, just to brighten up the face a bit more, and on the lid as well, on the eyelid. I'm contouring now with Mahogany on the jaw line, just to snatch my nose there. I'm gonna put it on my forehead as well, and on there, just the jaw there. I'm going to start blending with a brush. This is my Morphe brush. Just blend it upwards. I may have put in a bit much more contour than I usually do, so I'm going to go in with my foundation sponge to kind of soak it out and just blend it, so it just it blends better and takes off too much product there. Just coming together, sis. I'm just blending. I'm going in with my Real Techniques brush and just blending the nose contour. I'm going in with my Real Techniques sponge. This is a damp mini sponge, and I'm blending out the concealer. I allow this to sit for a minute or so before blending, and I just love the way the LA Girl blends. It's just flawless. I love the LA Girl Pro Conceal, and it's so affordable as well. I'm going back in with my foundation sponge, and I'm just blending out any lines out there just to make it a seamless finish. Back into my mini sponge and blending the forehead. I'm gonna set now with my Makeup Revolution banana powder. Setting up my eyes. Usual places where I highlighted. On the center of my nose, and now I'm going to snatch my nose just to make it a bit slimmer. I'm just using the Makeup Revolution banana powder. Now I'm going in with my black Opal finishing powder in the shade Dark. I'm using that all over the side of my face. And now I'm going in with my Makeup Revolution bronzer in Dark. And I'm bronzing my cheeks, and I'm now using the black Opal powder just to smoothing out the makeup, and now I'm chiseling my jaw contour with the banana powder. I'm going to be using my Juvia's Place palette today. First, I'm just priming with my Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade 12. Juvia's Place, I'm going in with the orange shade first. This is the Juvia's Place Zulu palette, guys. The Zulu palette. Every product I use here will be in the description bar below. So I'm putting in the orange first, just in the center part, just in the first half of the lid. So I'm going in with the orange. I want to match my top because I'm wearing an orange top, and then I'm just blending out into the crease. I'm gonna go in with a brown in the Zulu palette, just on the outer V there, just like so. I'm going to be using just these two eyeshadows today, and then I'm going to use a clean brush and blend, just like so. Just blending with the same brushes I used earlier. I'm gonna be going in with my Maybelline liner. I'm just gonna do the cat eye, kind of foxy eye kind of look. So I'm just drawing the liner. I'm just gonna do a half liner. I'm not gonna draw it to my inner tear duct. No, I'm just gonna, first of all, just that side, just to end there, like so. That's it. Gonna go in with my lashes, Elo Lashes 157. I'm just gonna cut a tiny bit out and use the gel to apply it. I'm just gonna apply it just on the end like so. I'll use my NYX finishing spray. Again, I'm gonna use Blossom Blue Wet and Wide to highlight. So this is my Wet and Wide highlighter and Blossom Glow. I put it in the middle of my nose, keep it bold, and I'm just blending out. Now I'm gonna put it on my cheekbones just to make it pop and blend, blend, blend. Going in with my NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk and just my inner like so, under my eyes there. And then I'm gonna go in with the orange in the Zulu palette. Just like I applied it on top, I'm just gonna do the same at the bottom. I'm gonna go in with the brown for the outer side of my eyes there, just like so. I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline liner and just connect the sides like so. Just on the outer like so. I'm not going anywhere, just on the side there. I'm using my Benefits They're Real mascara. I use this for my upper and lower lash line. Then I'm going in with the House of Tara in the shade Urua. This is actually the eyeshadow. I'm using it as a blusher today. This is a Nigerian brand. Very pigmented. I'm going in with Juvia's Place, just the color there, just to highlight there, just to pop out the blusher a bit more. I'm going in my Makeup Revolution and concealer in the shade 18. I'm using that for my lips, to line my lips. I love using the concealer for my lips because I just love the blend. I'm blending it out now. And then I'm going in with another concealer. This is an orange, Makeup Revolution concealer in orange, and I'm using that for my lips as well. And it's gorgeous. I love the look, I love the feel, I love the look. I'm going in with a brown again, just to define it. Then I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline liner again, just to do the inner part. And that's it for this look, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Bye.